National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sibley County, southwestern McLeod County, southeastern Renville County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairfax, or 19 miles east of Redwood Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stewart. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for central Minnesota. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.